Welcome to this comprehensive guide on IPv6 for the Internet of Things. As billions of smart devices continue to come online, the need for a robust addressing system has become critical. IPv6 provides the foundation for connecting every device on the planet with unique, globally routable addresses. In this presentation, you'll learn why IPv6 is essential for scaling IoT and the key considerations for implementing it in real-world scenarios. The Internet of Things is experiencing explosive growth. Industry experts predict that by 2025, there will be over 75 billion IoT devices connected worldwide. This includes everything from smart home appliances and wearable health monitors to industrial sensors and autonomous vehicles. However, the traditional IPv4 protocol can only support approximately 4.3 billion unique addresses. That's a massive gap. IPv6 solves this problem by providing 340 undecillion addresses, which is practically unlimited. This vast address space ensures that every device, now and in the future, can have its own unique identifier. Let's understand the fundamental differences between IPv4 and IPv6. IPv4 uses 32-bit addresses, displayed in decimal notation like 192.168.1.1. This limits the total address space to about 4.3 billion addresses, which are now exhausted in most regions. IPv6, on the other hand, uses 128-bit addresses displayed in hexadecimal notation, such as 2001:0 db8:853 and so on. This dramatic increase in address length provides 340 undecillion possible addresses. Beyond just more addresses, IPv6 also offers simplified routing, better performance, and built-in security features that make it ideal for IoT deployments. There are 6 compelling reasons why IPv6 is essential for IoT. First, unique addressing allows every IoT device to have its own globally unique IP address without the complications of network address translation or NAT. Second, simplified routing improves performance through efficient packet processing and reduced header overhead. Third, IPv6 has built-in security with mandatory IPsec support, providing end-to-end encryption natively. Fourth, auto-configuration enables devices to configure themselves automatically without needing DHCP servers. Fifth, better multicasting allows efficient group communication for IoT networks and device coordination. Finally, infinite scalability supports billions of devices without any concerns about address exhaustion. These features make IPv6 the clear choice for modern IoT deployments. Understanding the structure of IPv6 addresses is crucial for implementation. An IPv6 address consists of 128 bits, divided into 2 main parts. The first 64 bits represent the network prefix, which identifies the network and subnet. For example, 2001:0 db8:853:0000. The second 64 bits represent the interface ID, which identifies the specific device on that network. IPv6 addresses use hexadecimal notation separated by colons. To make addresses more manageable, you can use simplified notation. Leading zeros in each section can be omitted, and consecutive sections of zeros can be replaced with a double colon. For instance, the full form 2001:0 db8:853:0000:0000:8A2E:037:03334 can be compressed to 2001:0 db8:853:037:03734. Several specialized protocols enable IPv6 to work efficiently with IoT devices. 6LoWPAN, or IPv6, over low-power wireless personal area networks, enables IPv6 packets to be transmitted over IEEE 802.15.4 networks with header compression, making it ideal for constrained devices. RPL, the routing protocol for low-power and lossy networks, provides energy-efficient routing optimized for battery-powered IoT devices in mesh networks. CoAP, or Constrained Application Protocol, is a lightweight alternative to HTTP designed specifically for resource-limited devices, providing REST full capabilities for IoT DTLS. Datagram Transport Layer Security provides security for UDP-based IoT communications. Thread is an IPv6-based mesh protocol designed for reliable, secure, low-power wireless mesh networking, particularly in smart homes. Finally, MQTT-SN, or MQTT for sensor networks, offers optimized publish-subscribe messaging for constrained IoT networks. These protocols work together to create efficient, secure IoT ecosystems. While IPv6 offers tremendous benefits, there are implementation challenges to consider. Legacy systems present a significant hurdle because many existing IoT devices and infrastructure only support IPv4. The solution is to implement dual-stack configurations that run both protocols simultaneously, along with transition mechanisms like NAT64. There's also a skills gap, as many organizations have limited expertise in IPv6 deployment and troubleshooting. This can be addressed through comprehensive training programs and leveraging automated configuration tools. Security concerns arise because new attack vectors and configuration complexity can introduce vulnerabilities. Proper firewall configuration and utilizing IPv6's built-in IPsec features are essential. Finally, cost and resources are considerations, as upgrading hardware, software, and network infrastructure requires investment. A phased migration approach, prioritizing new deployments first, helps manage these costs effectively. To successfully implement IPv6 for IoT, follow these 5 best practices. First, start with dual-stack deployment. Run IPv4 and IPv6 simultaneously during the transition period to ensure compatibility and minimize disruption to existing services. Second, plan your address allocation carefully. Design a hierarchical addressing scheme that simplifies management and allows for future growth. Third, enable SLAAC or stateless address auto-configuration for ease of deployment, but implement ARAGuard and SEND protocols for security. Fourth, monitor and log all traffic. Implement comprehensive monitoring tools to detect anomalies, troubleshoot issues, and optimize network performance. Fifth, test thoroughly in lab environments before production deployment. This helps identify and resolve potential issues before they affect your live IoT systems. Following these best practices will help ensure a smooth and successful IPv6 implementation. IPv6 is already enabling transformative IoT applications across multiple industries. In smart cities, IPv6 connects traffic management systems, street lighting, waste management, and environmental monitoring sensors at massive scale with direct connectivity. Industrial IoT leverages IPv6 for factory automation, predictive maintenance, and supply chain tracking, where thousands of sensors and controllers require reliable, low-latency connections. Smart homes use IPv6 to network connected appliances, security systems, climate control, and entertainment devices with automatic configuration and built-in security. Healthcare IoT benefits from IPv6's end-to-end encryption and unique addressing for wearable monitors, medical devices, and patient tracking systems that require secure, reliable connections. These real-world applications demonstrate how IPv6 is already powering the connected world. The future of IoT is undeniably IPv6 enabled. Adoption is accelerating globally, with major networks and service providers already deployed. 5G networks are being built with IPv6 as the native protocol, enabling massive IoT deployment at unprecedented scale. Edge computing architectures rely on IPv6 to enable efficient edge-to-cloud communication for distributed IoT systems. Artificial intelligence and automation are becoming more powerful as smart devices with unique IPv6 addresses enable advanced AI-driven automation and analytics. The key takeaway is clear. IP version 6 is not optional for the future of IoT, with billions of devices requiring connectivity. IP version 6 provides the scalability, security, and efficiency needed to build the connected world of tomorrow. Organizations that embrace IP version 6 today will be well-positioned to lead in the IoT revolution.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.